Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. We have a new listing, 300 square meters, clean title for 1 million pesos negotiable, located in near Poblacion, Loon, Bohol. It's an overlooking with sea view. So this is the property line, guys, no? Mo ni siya dapita, no? This is the property. It's an overlooking ni siya. Dool sa reservoir, no? Reservoir of no? Mao na siya reservoir. Sayon kay tultulon. Then it's an overlooking. Then sea view. So barato kayo. Pang residential ni siya, guys, no? Gabiin naman pero at least naklaro pa gamay. Ato gyung gipupos ang kagabihon. So mana siya, guys, no? Sayon kay tultulon na adiri sa kilid sa reservoir. So again, the size is 300 square meters for 1 million pesos. Nga, clean title yun, no? Approximately 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City, or less than mga 30 ra kay Loon naman eh. So it's a very nice, no? So kini mao gini siya, guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So atong ikuha ang drone video, guys, no? Di na gid kay maklaro. Ato lang ning balikan pohon. Basta kini mao na gyud ni, guys, no? Again, the size is 300 square meters. Clean title gyud, no? Located in near Poblacion, Loon, Bohol. Tapat dira sa reservoir. Mga basta doon ra ni gikan sa highway, more or less na aras mga 1 kilometer. So gabi naman. Then mao na tong website kung gusto pa mo mananaw og yuta. So nangit-ngit na gyud, guys. So di na ta makaklaro. At least nakuha na tong drone. Balikon lang na to phone. So mo gini ang surroundings, no, sa property. Basta clean title gyud, no, na sa kinan. Kana dia kilid lobby. No, that is the 300 square meters. Overlooking it siya. So see. Again, the size is 300 square meters, clean title, for sale, located in Loon, Bohol. 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City and few minutes drive from the White Sand beaches. Thank you.